It started with a 911 call about a suspicious woman asking for rides and trying to steal car keys, but things quickly escalated when she stole a police car right in front of the officer.
I don't know the address. Some lady just tried to take my keys. I do not know the address.
Some lady tried to take your keys?
Yeah, and she walked up asking me for if I could get her out of this place, and then she tried, when she's sitting there staring at me, she then, when I went to go close my door, she went in to come get my keys, and then she tried to open my door again after I locked it.
When did this happen? About how many minutes ago?
Just now. She's walking around the parking lot right now. And I'm pretty sure she knows that I'm calling you.
The RP was inside. One female, 30 to 40.
Walk over to the back. No. Stop! 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 It's so fast, she just got in my car, took off. Eastbound on Highway 40 past the substation.
Oh, she just got in with the sheriff. She just got inside the sheriff's car. She is, oh my God. He's out. She's in. She took his car.
We got another vehicle. We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay?
On Highway 40 past the substation.
6531. I'm behind them. She is going westbound on 40. She has lights and sirens on, running opposite side of traffic.
Were you the one who called us?
Yes. Do you want me to stay on the line? I'm with the sheriff right now.
You have your ID?
It's in the car. I'm still, really shaking.
Did you know her?
No, she tried to take my keys.
We know her.
Oh. She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle. At first, she asked me for a ride, said she needed to get out of this place.
She's extremely signal 12.
Eastbound, they're heading into the woods, they're heading into the forest.
26, eastbound on Highway 40.
Leave it 12-6, 26.
10-4.
6531 Marion. Speeds are about 110. We're still eastbound on 40.
10-4, speeds 110, eastbound on 40.
She's still extremely signal 12.
Are you okay? I'm a little shaken. I've never had that happen to me before, so I'm a little shaky.
Okay.
Just to calm down. No, I got it. I got a drink.
That is insane. I was watching her when we got out, and she's banging on people's cars. Well, I went to the Dollar Tree, and
No. No, she just tried to take my vehicle.
yeah, we was going to go in the Dollar Tree, and I was like, wait a minute, Skylar, let's just stay in here for just a minute. Let me watch what she's doing.
Excuse me, all stations, I need help. This is a fake route.
6531 Marion. I believe that's going to be her coming across the radio. She just passed the packet sack going eastbound. Her speeds are well over 100. I'm trying to keep up. I'm just keeping eyes on the lights.
Speeds are still 105. We're still going eastbound.
Oh my God, she's still going?
Speeds 105, still eastbound.
What's a good phone number for you?
352.
Speeds are still 115.
10-4, speeds 115.
Marion. She just turned around. She's now going westbound.
10-4, subject 9 westbound. Excuse me, I need the real police.
Let's switch back to TAC 2 so she can't key up.
10-4, all units on the signal 13, switch to TAC 2.
Marion TAC 2. The suspect, 33-year-old Kendra, had 13 felony charges and was recently released from prison. Her mocking the cops over the radio only made the officers more furious.
5812, how much fuel? Probably around 3/4 of a tank. I filled it up this morning. right here.
Well, I know that. I'm just double checking if I get the opportunity to do so. Is it 10-4? We're still westbound on 40, just past Forest Road 33.
10-4, 23,900 blocks, still westbound.
She's going to be the first car. I'm the second car. The lights are on. 10-4. I'm going to lay off a little bit. Speeds are still about 90, 95.
Safety 316, she did advise they're coming up behind an 18-wheeler.
And she's turning around. She's conducting a U-turn. She is going eastbound on 40. Speeds are up to 105. We're still eastbound.
Reference that pit, if you do have a safe opportunity, go ahead and take that if you feel comfortable with it.
There's also past 23, I'm gonna have a switch.
Probably 3 or 4 out, but the ranges are hot right now through the Navy. We're trying to get clearance until.
The officers lost sight of Kendra, then saw thick black smoke in the distance. A disaster was unfolding.
Here, one, we got approval. We're just a couple minutes out. Give me the 100 thought.
Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4.
Signal 4 station, 1033.
Alright, right here, you're good. Good job.
Stay away from the car, stay away from the car.
Back up, back up, back up, back up! Back up, back up!
We got another vehicle. We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay? Hello? Hello?
Another vehicle.
You guys okay?
10-4 into another vehicle.
I'm not getting a response from them. I don't know where she's at. There's somebody in that driver's side.
She's right there. She's right here. She's right here. Get them, get them, get them.
Pickup truck.
A fire broke out, likely from a fuel leak in the damaged engine. Officers rushed in with fire extinguishers to try to control the blaze.
Hey, Millers, get my fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher, get it over here, get it over here.
I'm getting it. Go. Where's yours? Can you grab yours?
It's really hot right here, really hot. Mine's unlocked, it's unlocked, it's unlocked. It should be on the right.
Got 3 occupants unresponsive in there.
The crash killed Kendra and the 2 elderly people in the pickup truck. A third passenger survived but remained in critical condition.
Do we have any contact talking? At least 3 occupants? Sheriff's Office, is everyone okay?
Partner is calling 911 for you. Help will be sent to that location. Can anyone hear me?
one fire extinguisher over here. Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Let's make sure they're good.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this doesn't start a fire because it's leaking oil.
Okay.
There's a flame coming through that firewall, but
She should get on this one. Where's she at? If she's right there, I don't know if you can get through that hole. Alright, we got the roadblock. Medics are on the way.
is there fire in there right now?
Unresponsive.
Yeah. I can't get to the one on the right though.
Okay.
Little ways.
They're gonna have to chop it out.
Kendra, a mother of 3, was struggling mentally. Her family said she was kind, but her actions stealing cars and fleeing tell a different story.
Make sure she's okay. She's having a tough
I need a minute.
You okay?
I need a minute.
Okay. Sit down if you need to. Sit down if you need to. You're not hurt, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Three in the car, Sarge. She's signal 7.
How is Woody? Is he okay?
I believe he's fine.
I'm so mad right now, bro.
Hey, don't beat yourself up.
No, it's not. I'm pissed off at her because now she just fucking caused 3 people to fucking die because she wanted that they could fucking patrol car.
Push back about a mile. You're going to get it back.
Oh.
You can't control anybody else's actions.
I seen, and she was going around the semi, and I knew, but I thought it was just gonna be her. And I'm like, all right, that's fine. It's just her. You know, don't know if it's still recorded, but fuck her, you know. And then when I seen the truck, I'm like, are you fucking shitting me, bro? I need to get in my car.
Okay. You're good. You're good.
The injured passenger, 74-year-old Russell, suffered broken bones, spinal injuries, and head trauma. He later went into a coma and needed breathing support.
I already used up my extinguisher.
Hey, hold on. Hold that one. There's still someone.
Yeah, that's fine. I can't get that in there. It's probably burning. Hey, knife, I got you 2 right here. Thanks.
I just feel so confused to sit here saying nothing.
No, you're good, you're good. You're good. Sit down, sit down. Are they all signal 7?
We want to check this one real quick, if we can break one of them free. But believe to be
This is so wrong.
Are you on?
Yeah. I guess Woody left his car open and they're dealing with this crazy lady and she stole his car.
They call us.
I don't know.
I told him I had 3 occupants.
Kendra's reckless theft and high-speed driving ended in tragedy, killing herself and 2 innocent people. With a history of crime and untreated mental illness, this was a disaster waiting to happen. Click on the screen for more true crime stories.